they talked about this new law. I think it's effective July 1st. You can actually sell the ADU that you build as a separate property than your primary home that's on the lot. Now, see this? I mean, look, I don't think the chances of me selling the ADU are extremely low. Like, there's very few instances in which I will sell real estate. I mean, a fix and flip is one thing, but like right now, I'm gonna give you an example. Like, I'm considering selling a property right now, and the reason is because the HOA is trash. And when I say the HOA, I don't mean the board. I mean the situation, the financial situation that the HOA is in is trash. And I know that because I'm on the board. And so we inherited these problems. And I'm just like, do I want to deal with this? Not really. But then also, like, do I feel like finding another tenant for this property? And it's like, maybe not. I just take the profit.